Math for All Academy. Today I'm going to be teaching you about linear systems, so all the basics about it. So if we have equations like this, we need to figure out if they have many solutions, no solutions, or one solution. So there are three possible solutions that are possible for a set of linear systems like this. So one solution equals one point of intersection. That's one of the options or possible solutions that could be possible. So if the lines have different slope and different y-intercept, that means there would be one point of intersection. So let's take a look at these two equations. Okay, so let's see if the slope is the same. The slope is not the same. Okay, this one has a slope of 2. This has a slope of 1. As well, the y-intercepts are different. And if you use the method of plotting the slope and the y-intercept, you'll find that these two cross at one singular point, the point of intersection, which is at 5, 6. Okay, so that's one possible solution. Now, if you take another set of equations, you'll find that there's no intersection or no solution. So that means they will never intersect. And let's see what is possible for these two types of equations. They have the same slope, and their y-intercept is different. So that means when you plot them using y equals mx plus b, using their slope and their y-intercept, you will find that these are two parallel lines that will never intersect. So they do not have a solution. Okay? So now, if we move on to this one, this set of equations, there's an infinite number of solutions of points of intersection. And how can we determine that? Well, we could see that these have the same slope. As well, they have the same y-intercept. So that means when you plot it using the y-intercept and the slope to find the line, one would look like this, and then the next one would look exactly like that on top of the other one. You could see that the purple one is right on top of the pink one. And that's it. There's only three possible solutions. And you have to remember what happens in order to get that set of solutions. So different slope, different y-intercept means one solution. Then when there's the same slope, different y-intercept, that means there's no solution. When it's the same slope, same y-intercept, that means there's infinite number of solutions. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.